Hello everybody, welcome back to DayZ, or in this case DayZ modding. Today I'm going to do some more work with ChatGPT and setting up some XML files. I've never done this before, what I'm going to do today, but it should go pretty well. What I'm going to do today is I am going to extract, and I'm going to have ChatGPT do all the work. I'm going to extract all of the well locations from a mapgrouppos file, and then I'm going to have ChatGPT create from scratch a bare spawn point territory. So let's go ahead and get started. So open up a ChatGPT window, and first I just want to do a quick disclaimer. I do subscribe to ChatGPT, their lowest basic level. You can do everything that I'm doing for free, but you may have to do it in multiple sessions. So, and then this video is part of a playlist. Please check out the other videos in the playlist as well. ChatGPT can save you hours of coding time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to upload my mapgrouppos file to ChatGPT. And all you got to do is drag it. I've got a second monitor with a subdirectory, with some other files, and I'm going to copy and paste a prompt in. I'm going to put these prompts that I'm using today in the comments so that you can just copy and paste them. But this prompt says, attached is a mapgrouppos.xml file from the game DayZ. Extract the items that have the word well in it. Sort the list by the Z coordinates from lowest to highest. This list is a location of where wells are located. We will refer to this list as well locations. And I hit enter. And it's going to take a few minutes. Not a few minutes, more like 30 seconds. We'll see. Now it's going to make a liar out of me and take 45 seconds. But there, it made a list, and it says, I've extracted all the well locations from your mapgrouppos file and sorted them by the Z coordinate lowest to highest. You can now view the complete list in the table I generated. Would you like me to also save the sorted list into a downloaded text or CSV file for easy use in your DayZ project? And I'm not even going to answer that question, but now I'm going to upload to ChatGPT a bare territories file and a prompt that, this one's a little simpler prompt. Attached is a bare territories file so you can see an example of the format of the file I need you to create. And I hit enter. And then it makes some comments about the file. Perfect, I see the bare territories file that you uploaded. Now I understand the exact structure you need for your new file. The wells list we built earlier can be transformed into this territory zone format. Here's the plan. So ChatGPT has done some work with me. They know what I want to do. But now I've got some more complicated instructions, and I'm going to copy and paste those from a document I have on my other monitor, and I'll read this to you. Create a new file called animalbarewells_territories.xml. For each well that has a Z coordinate between 4001 and 8000, create one spawn point that's within 750 meters of that well. For each well that has a Z coordinate between 8001 and 12,000, create three spawn points that are within 500 meters of that well location. For each well that has a Z coordinate above 12,001, create 5 spawn points that are within 250 meters of that well location. For the R value of each spawn point, you create, I'm going to modify. You pick a random number between 25 and 150. So what this is going to do is it's not going to put any bears at wells that are in the most southern part of the map. But as you go further north and you go to a well, there's going to be more bears. And I'm going to hit enter. And it does say thinking longer for a better answer because this is a more complicated task. If you would like to see more content like this, hit like and subscribe. It really helps me out. As I mentioned, this is going to be part of a playlist. So you can see the rest of the videos in the playlist. And then if you want to play on some fun PvE servers, I've got servers right now on Xbox and PC. And you can just search for Billy Mac, BILLYMAC. And would love to see you on the servers if you wanna play. So it's come up all set. I created Animal Bear Wells territory using your rules. It lists the rules that I gave it. And then it gives us a link to download the file. So I'm going to click the file. Let's take a look at the file. I'm going to open it up in Notepad++. And you can see that it did it perfectly, just the way I wanted. So, as I said, if you like this type of content, please give me a like and subscribe. It really helps me out.